For this Desmos activity, you are going to do a card sort, and you'll see a screen like this. You're going to have here cards with algebraic expressions, half of which need to be simplified and half of which are already simplified. And so you're going to find the cards with expressions that need to be simplified, and you're going to simplify those algebraic expressions by combining like terms, and then you're going to pair the card with its simplified answer. So like an example, looking at this card here, you've got this algebraic expression 6p plus 5n plus p minus 2n. There are like terms here, and like terms are the terms with the matching variables, right? So we talked about terms are the pieces in the algebraic expression that are being added or subtracted. So here the terms are 6p, 5n, p, and 2n. And then like terms are the terms that have matching variables. So the like terms would be 6p and p, those are like terms, and then 5n and 2n, those are like terms. Like terms can be combined, so 6p plus p, that's going to be a total of 7p, and then 5n minus 2n, that will be a total of 3n. So this entire algebraic expression will get simplified to 7p plus 3n. And that's the card that I'm going to look for in order to pair this one with. I'm looking for 7p plus 3n. Here it is. I clip that like that. And then this one is done. You're going to pair all of these cards. The way you're going to sort these is just in pairs. You shouldn't have any groups of 3 or 4 or 5 or anything like that. Just pairs. Okay, so half of these are going to be algebraic expressions that need to be simplified, and half are going to be algebraic expressions that are already simplified and you don't need to simplify them further. You just need to pair them with the algebraic expression that's not simplified. And so one strategy for doing this card sort could be that you put all of the cards that don't have any like terms on one side of the screen, and then all the cards that have like terms that can be combined, those can go on this side of the screen, right? So like for example, this card right here, the terms are y, 2y, and x, and I have like terms. Y and 2y, those are like terms because they are terms with matching variables. So I know this card is an algebraic expression that is not simplified. This one I'm going to put on this side of the screen. This one here, 2x minus 3y, there are two terms here, the 2x and the 3y, but they don't have matching variables. They are not like terms, and so this algebraic expression cannot be simplified any further. This is already simplified. This one is going to go on this side of the screen. So you could do that where you split the screen in half, where you have one side algebraic expressions that need to be simplified, and then on this side you could put all the algebraic expressions that are already simplified and then start pairing them from there, right? So you could look at these now and think 4y plus 5y, that's a total of 9y, minus another y, that's going to be 8y, right? I've got 4 of these here, 5 of these here, and 1 here. So this is 4 plus 5 minus 1, which is 8. So 8y should be my answer. Here it is. I would clip that, and then that would go here. Okay, and you could continue on like that.